Tap on the menu and find the Add Social Links option. Tap on it to see the list of social links. Select Facebook and at the bottom, enter the valid link for Facebook. Then tap on the Submit button. A success message will be displayed. At the bottom of the card, an icon will be displayed, indicating that the media link has been added to the card. Clicking on the Facebook icon will redirect you to the link you specified. The menu will show Add Social Links, Update Social Links, and Delete Social Links. Tap on Update Social Links, then tap on the Edit icon to edit the link. After editing, tap on the Submit button. A success message will pop up. Then tap on the menu and select Delete Social Link. After that, tap on the Delete icon to delete it. A delete message will appear. You can also add other social media links such as YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Skype, WhatsApp, Telegram, Play Store, and more as per your preference.